Hello people, Chef Dan here. Look at that, look, that's about an 8-inch saucepan. That squash there's about 5 inches, that's about 4 odd inches. So what have we got? So about in centimetres, metric, so it's about 20 centimetre saucepan, something like that. So what's that, about 13, 14 centimetre squash there, and about an 11 centimetre squash there, something like that. So yeah, delicious patty pan squashes. I'm really happy actually with how the squashes have done this year, and indeed are doing. If you've been watching my videos, you'll have seen just how big one of the other squashes, different variety than these, out there in the old vegetable patch. But yeah, very happy. I'm not, you could steam these. People do all sorts of these squashes, they stuff them. But I simply boil them up and eat them like this, keeping it simple. But doesn't that just look beautiful? Delicious, lovely, scrumptious, nutritious and delicious, eh? There we go, patty pan squash. I believe these are variety Bennings Green Tint. Lovely. Massive history with these. Excuse me, apparently there's these have been eaten, there's evidence to suggest that these were eaten by the Native Americans. Very nice. And history in Europe down back to about the 16th century, 1600s, if that indeed is the 16th century, but anyway, let's just say the 1600s. And dating back records, these being used in the UK since the about 1900s. So yeah, very, very good. Don't see them that often, but very much worth growing. Okay, I hope you like that. Take care, speak soon, and if you like my work, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Bye!